Hello, this is Pamela, the Stampin' Pink Rose, and I've been working on a project, and I thought I'd review this with you on a Wow Wednesday. This is a card that I've been working on, and I've been attempting to get it so it's not so blotchy across the top. So what I wanted to do was kind of review how we do this. So I've taken a piece of paper, and I pulled out Pear Pizzazz, So Saffron, and Calypso Coral. So we're going to start with So Saffron. And I've got my sponge dauber. Now, what I want to caution you on is when you stamp, let's move this up to the side, you don't want to go like this because you're going to end up with it blotchy. Okay? So what you're going to want to do, I like to do a little bit of ink off the side, and then I strictly go across. Now you will get a little blotchiness, but not bad. So let's do this again. Off to the side, across, and you can darken it as however you want it to be. Then the next step is to grab the Calypso Coral and take it and notice I've streaked it off. And another recommendation is, when you're doing this, if you want to cut your paper just a little bit longer than what I've done, then when you go to put it on your card, you can cut off the end, and then any of this that's on the side here will not be there. And you'll have more evenness farther in. Okay, now I've done Calypso Coral. Then what I simply did was take my Pear Pizzazz, and again, go across, just like this. However dark you want it. And then I simply stamp the tree on top. So really my best recommendation is, I cut this 1/4 inch longer than I really wanted. And all I will do is I will trim this end off. Pardon me. And I will have less blotchiness on it. And then I will stamp the tree on top. So use your sponge daubers, streak it off the side, use some paper that's a little longer than what you're wanting, and this green blotchiness is really going to be hidden when you get the trees on here. So that's going to be my tip for you to look on a Wow Wednesday, is think about doing some sponge daubing and getting some variations on your colors. Pardon me. All of a sudden I got a tickle in my throat. So this is Pamela Stampin' Pink Rose. This is another Wow Wednesday. This was June 1st. This is order day. If you don't have a catalog, you need to get a hold of me right away, and I'll get one out to you immediately. If you let me know tonight, I'll ship it out tomorrow. And they've got wonderful products in there and wonderful colors, and I didn't use the new colors on these. Also, if you want to look at becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, it's a great time. You can save 20 to 25% on everything you order. You don't have to do it with strings. You can order now and order for the catalog. Get your discount. Do it that way. It's $99 to join. You also get a couple free stamp sets. You get a free stamp set from me. There's a bunch of bonuses and everything that I put on my newsletter. And if you haven't subscribed to my newsletter, by all means, get in there and subscribe to the newsletter or subscribe to my blog, because you'll get a free welcome gift and a PDF every week on subscribing to my newsletter. So I'm here to help. If you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to email me at Pamela@stampandpinkrose.com. I'll be happy to try to answer your questions. We have a wonderful group of community people. So if I don't have an answer, there's always somebody else that does. So take care and have a great day. And thanks for joining me at the Stampin' Pink Rose.